Akata Council. The British and the Asantes signed the Anglo-Asante Peace Treaty of 1831 at Cape Coast Castle. This treaty empowered the British to create the British protected territories on the lands across the River Pra. By 1872, the Danes and the Dutch had sold all their trading forts and castles to the British and left. These lands became protected from any Asante control or encroachment. The British protected territories of the southern states, including Asin, Wasa, Ante, Denka, Akwamu, Ga, Adangbe, and many others supported the British, serving as their informants. As so European on the coast, the British fomented the war against the Asantes. And this is how it all began.
Yewla Nansay Yeshia no ye din haye Adawroma se bibi wo hono ma yehu
Odi aboa tu jam na o mene ya ini na adane enti ana na ma ye din sa no
Benfo ma ho atrase Amrado no asmam na o sin de nka jom de o hia me wura sisiara wona asoi
Arapa utrabo from Nessa
wo
na wo ka se yewura ya te no mo agro no
Abrante Mamen kan kire Sabi Samo ana mumu hina ya de yewura etu ti magina ha ake kansam ani frani masam anche yewura
Mura Poto Minji ni de akwasi broyi owo nwa adwembon O san de amala nso me yego gosi tumi nyi uma
Okwa mi ni papa mi ni ubo de kabuta wona mi atwa na odi atwa
nananom metimu sa kwase broni adwen papa bi ene nti
Dabi
na ye mi kofi kakari adwen bi odi bebe bia mesi ano
asene say yeah Dabi no Yabakantua say let's go to my business and we'll just answer mine.
My lord, there are some chiefs here from the coastal areas, and they would like to see you.
What are they here for?
They have said they want to discuss official matters with you.
All right, let them come in.
Womra. Ohen womra. Ba sama so yi. Nana womra. Who fu ora ba ha. Won tena se. Na mo tena fom. Won tena fom. My lord, the chiefs from the coastal areas.
Tell them they're welcome.
Nananom, them ramra do si. Ozi, omo akwaba.
Yewra. Hey.
Afei so, osi obusam kwando.
Amanado Krachi.
Mwaha.
So, Yankutana Bonnet. What? Me ya chimney. Meanwhile, so I am Fantini. And one also say danger. What are one more egu? A canano ya omun to me, Mekai Hoa. Yadoso. Ye, some titi as I recon. Ye hear and say, Amanado, Yahoo sewa wide and pa at the Maya in an animal one puano. Name Yenum beer. One more as antimem him for Nibi. And woman near them, Papa, at the Madie. I'm not woman. Yes, Rena Brew. Say, Obemoy who buying Quadia. Sabi, yes, you have a tarnish. Nadia Santifoni, Biara, Nura, but I will be brew. Anana, my mammy.
I'm not a catchy. The ability to Nana Diaz when he said, yes, Antifono. Yen and none of the I didn't say, O Musuma is some beer. You better leave the Achiram Nado. The Nanaka and here. So we're hoping. If we say Antifono, and put me here. You know that yes, I see you so. As only home to you. And just say, how about body? Yes, only home. And yes,
My lord, what they are saying is simply that they want to be your informant. And also, they want to give you any secret, anything about their scientists. In return, they seek for your protection.
Wonderful!
Abasma, Nananum, Abasio, wonderful, and us in the name of
Oh, Montrese, no more who for Montrese.
Once in a boom.
Tell them I thank them for coming and for the information on the Ashanti King, Nana Kofi Kakari. Let them also know I will grant them the protection they seek for.
Nananum, I'm not Ossi, or the Kumasi, the Humaba. What's your home? Home buying.
Sierra, yeah. Now, Santa Fo. Yabutre. Mira, where do you want Roma? So I see a bossy dear, and Panisi will be entry for some pacodo. And your best require. I, Madaroma.
They are seeking for permission to leave.
Please, I thank them for coming and get them some refreshment.
Yes, my lord.
I'm not looking at what's somebody.
Also, Mungo. Wongo.
Cratchy, whatever may Bruno obey, quite what
Hey, madam. Basma. Back the castle and I ever pet. What?
That's you all. And you take it. Some of my kind of oh, some of my kind of.
You are charming.
It's your.
Very kind. The madam for Kakari. And I am my baba. Get to you. The man into there for Kakari. And I am say. And I'm on top. Ah, your master to make you. It's unsaid. And I'm here. Yes, fight the distant part every say. In the Suska, I did Yara. What was that pray? Then you may never so. Yaba. But I did. You are Kakari. And I am a friend. Oh, my dear.
Yeah. The same say they do. Osapa, Sadia, Najasi, or in another possible one.
Ochame.
Oh no. Oh papa me. Me na jakali. Oh papa ko kwata. Okuni ti yompa. No paso so ma mo ko. Me dey dey ti. E ye bura che. Me ke se ma na friend sama ko. E so le sunya jana so. E kali. Uchobi akuno. Uchobi ya jana.
Ochame. Ochame. Tiema ento mahemfo.
Zio.
Enim ma me se.
Zio.
Ene fra me frɛ wo mo no.
Zio.
Enye ahogro so kura.
Zio.
Kasache.
Eye mu nyina mo nim sam se.
Zio.
Efiri bra ye nuanu bi. Eye yedom. Edom nkɔbɔ akwasi kɔkɔ no.
Zio.
Ye nya ahwene kura enyi mu.
Zio.
Senti bi to abɔfo ma ɔmkɔe.
Zio.
Ɔmkɔe a akwanso sem bokura ya ma ɔmu bi.
Zio. Kasache.
Ya ma ɔmu nsuo so bokura and ano.
Zio.
Nkoti a asade enkra emu ɔden.
Zio.
Ama ɔmu abrɛ me sɛ me mo ni dwa. Sabi empanyin se aboa no de ntakra ena ye ne kase.
Zio.
Me nkwa mintimi enye na so.
Zio.
Tina ma odom nkwa kire ma se twe ne so se momra maka me ho. Efi se mpa no fo se aboa no opama ansa no ye den wagye ya. Enti na ma meto ensa efrɛ mo.
Zio. Nananom. Madam amuntie mebru. Sadia yewura na akakari wase no. Ose otu abofo ama okompoa no. So nko sia mrado ne dom. Abofo ni duru ho no. Sabi ebru sabi anyado. Akonwa mpo wantu wombi na kapesa akwasunsa. Ekwa wi akira amrado sa de nkra ama yewura abofo a wosoma ama okompoa no ne se o meka nche yewura se yewura sa monika. Yanu ani say na amen. Yanu ani say na amen. Yewura aboa no o de kase e na we na afu. Yewura kofi kakari ti we. Sanoma onam surumpo na sekosua e hyenimu a. Ohu. Yewura ti asem no ni wisie ni briye. I said, Mr. Panic in our high. Yet doesn't even believe you. If you are say, so frame one, men found too many. If we say, a boa, Tontom, or so before the name to Pompa, a bobon one as
Yera chame.
Me tell you,
Wadam bantama am toso me ensa. Me gina ho. Wadam atie. Nantu yewura kakari be ma. Nana hema. Na nananom kaya e wo hanso so entibi. Nananom. Krosa sanko wo ho nipa bibre bia komu mada. Nanso ye twa asia ye nyina nim se ye ka ho ntwene a ye se ho no esa. Nananom. Enchidenti. Yentra ho. Enchichira santema animonyam. Esikadwa animonyam. Ankoto nchire. Menso tonane ne kwana.
Dabi.
Sabaku di fatanoa. Eya kono. Na nya sedwase. Nananom, si ewura be pena nka me nko de. Me se, yenka to antwa akwasi me.
Yenka to a.
Kyen wo ho.
Itewe bru.
Kumawu. Kebu akodua. Me no ma. Empagin say, Saboa no nyaw no nkawo a. Won
Fini se chira.
Akwasi brodi, wo ya menani atra na ni nton.
Wakan.
Bibia se, na nanuma se kaga. Oduma nkoma ade ache ya wranti. Ade asanteman. Ene na nani abre a obeso oje. Timi dia ya adwene se, ye montoa.
Yenka to a.
Yewura chame ho.
Itewe bru.
Adaroma. Mampo kontonchi. Ana masole no. Obatie ama na ewura se. Akwasi broni anasa akwasi kokko. Na sikadwani ti ene ni abere a oma yewura onya hwenimpo no himu no dia. Me mampo kontonchi. Ohia kuma na aneme. So baba me kwan a. Kwasi broni. Sabi mpanyine se. So baba bi hu no na ntwetwe ya. Won sampa ho. Mentra ho anya no fofroto ama kwasi kokko nsumpa nkotokuro du ama to yewura pante so ba me kwanya ma tere ba sante sam acha kwasi kokko ama wo se ya santefo
Yeah.
Office nie okwa awia wiafe no so me se kaka me kan say miwura wada roma so ba ma me kwan aka me but broni kokko atwaniti ada ba kina asantema
sabna no waka no
Yewura chame.
Itewe bru.
Wadama. Tiema ntu yewura ene na ahema say na dama o. Se bimpene se abo tete awohui. Yenya abotedwa na yehunu ne nso no. Se de yaso asemi ekoi. Na dama enki yensi abotre. Na yantwen. Ni ehunu se apoma ne simetwe. Danya sa se de apagya asemi de. Yenim owe ne kura ebeto ye. Ti na dama. Yensi abotre.
Kasa
Na
tire.
kwasi bro no de na asem bedu wi a. Sabi yehu asem no poma si bre na dama.
Trase. Se woni hwe ka trase. Hufuo. Era chame.
Itewe.
Arama. Afo. Berema kufo ya kase. Madama entumira. Entuna ahima mame. Mene na namu edi ka kasa ye ni nyina ya adwen. Kwati ko ho. Ne ho bon. Esa. No kwasemini. Wichira o ye nyina. Sikadwan tira no yesa. Yampene ne ampene chira.
I don't see the entire home.
For papa no bedura. No kwasemini. Be man who say. Say gay way. Hiritra panyina. Sa gon mem. Pia.
Achame. Mira.
My nkwan first ba force man kwan na emram.
Ai kwa. Mananya tem. Ya fra ba postman kwa ble. Madam, Bafos Manquaba.
Bafos Manqua. Then I'm mere frail. Bantama Manquatia. Bakodia, Kofi. Monka, Bafos Manqua. A Mamma Boam. Nadiadron. A Quasicoco. The men to us, a yaboso. A young man, Kofi Kakari. Make the Punanim, Copim say. You bet Channel, yet Shanity.
Afa metawachi nura metawachi pa metawachi.
General Wolseley.
Governor, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Welcome to Gold Coast. Please
Thank you.
have a seat. General, this whole territory is under our hegemony. But this portion is what has become an albatross around our neck. The Ashanti are claiming this territory. They are powerful people, warlike people. We have to stop them from claiming the Elmina territory. See, in all my administration in West Africa, I have not seen people this radical, rebellious, and recalcitrant as these Ashantis. Struck them from one angle, and they assemble one another. We have to end the regime by any means necessary.
There must be a connection in their struggle.
But I thought after so many years of humiliation, they would learn a lesson. I will break the resistance, whether they like it or not.
Governor, the history of these people is full of battle.
See, I received this letter from Her Majesty, the Queen of England. And this is the present situation back in England.
Oh, the London Bridge is falling!
Indeed. I don't like the Ashantis. The war must go on. General Wolseley, what are the preparations so far?
Governor, for this war, with heavy armaments and by rifles, for the first time, we're going to strongly defeat and destroy the Ashanti Empire. Because Ashantis are powerful, they are mighty in battle. We're training our soldiers better. We're going to use quinine to help the soldiers against the disease and introduce the new machine guns to give us a significant technological advantage over the Ashanti army.
Well done, General. Please follow me into the inner chamber.
It was Thursday, on 7:30 a.m., as the British had already threatened the Asante Kingdom. Nana Amankweti III and some notable Asante chiefs were with the Asante warriors in the thick at Afo. The British had indeed decided to fight the after a full peace. Santehima. The British tried to resist pressure. Asante was the only kingdom that prevented them taking their lands. Then the Blue Moon. Ghana arrived in the Asante Empire. But 25,000 troops and thousands West Indian and African troops, including then.
Jasi ba ya udio. Jasi ba di obi nye bido. Ye mko. Ye magani o. Asante kwa ko ya.
Ye ni mkwa, ye ni ujanio, asante kwa toko oya, ye ni mkwa, ye ni ujanio, kuro. Dada ya moshi yo esa na ya kura dada ya moshi amna ya kuro dada ya moshi yo esa na ya kura dada ya moshi amna ya wasayini be aye okonya osanya osubrajai osubrachia esana ya kurada da ya mushamaya.
We've burned their palaces. We've taken their treasures. We conquered the land. We defeated the Shantis. Long live the Queen! Long live the Queen! Long live the Queen! Long live the Queen! 3, 2, 1, march!
The agony. The capital, Kumasi, was abandoned by the Asantes when the British arrived, Kumasi was demolished by the British with explosives. The harm has already been caused. And it's only time can wipe off memory of this invasion. The British took away cherished treasures, including rolls of books, and as well as the headgear of Nana Kofi Kakari, except the golden stool. Mr. Asikeja. The harm has been caused. And it is only time that can wipe off memory. How can we forget the death of our war general, Nana Mankwetia, and some notable chiefs in the hands of the British? How can we forget the death of thousands of people, of those left behind? How can we forget the that raged profusely on that fateful day? How can we forget the treasures that were looted away? But the passage of time, now Kumasi held several British citizens, and London houses several Asante citizens. The city Ghana sought to destroy repository of Ghana's culture, and hundreds of British nationals, quite ironically, tour in it every year to see the very thing they seek to destroy or carried away. The British brought their cannon to the bush, but stronger than cannon. Asante was born in battle, nurtured in battle, and sustained in battle. Today, proud kingdom, we learn from our defeat and also celebrate our victories. It's what will forever make the Asante kingdom powerful and mightier. Long live the king of the Asantes, His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osei-Tutu. Long live the kingdom Asante. Asante.
Naturally, this should exude an ovation. I don't have to ask for it. The Kumasi Cultural Center, Let's appreciate their effort, their brilliance in reenacting this great war, the Sagrenti War. And now, remaining standing, Your Lordship the Chair, Your Royal Majesty, humbly I ask that together let us pay tribute to all our men and women who lost their lives in this great war. For they are a part of an unbroken line of heroes who have borne the heaviest burden of the freedom today. A minute's silence. It's our prayer that the blood, sweat, tears, and toil of our heroes past shall never be in vain. We ask that their souls rest in glory. Amen. A resounding round of applause to celebrate. One come from?
Vicente à moi! Y'a blanc! Vamos, Mayabo!